Hello everyone! Today, we will make exciting clay model ice creams. First, I will make an ice cream using a blue mold. I will use the green Play-Doh. Then, I'll fill the mold. Put sticks in and press it. Yeah! We already have a delicious green ice cream, right? Next, I will make an ice cream with a yellow mold. Take the purple Play-Doh, then put it in the right half. Put the ice cream stick in and press it. Let's wait and see. Okay! I have a purple taro ice cream that is really fragrant and beautiful. This time, I will combine this green stick with a blue mold. I'll be putting in the red Play-Doh in the mold. Put the stick in and add green soil. Press and open it. Ta-da! I have an ice cream that is both green and red. It looks like a watermelon. What ice cream should I make with this pink mold? I will use the blue Play-Doh and I'll put it in the mold. Then I'll use purple sticks. Press it, then wait. Wow! What a smooth and fragrant blue ice cream! We already have 1, 2, 3, and 4 ice creams with many colors. Goodbye!